butterfly garden. So let's come with me.
Wow, friends, cactus garden. Cactus is a desert plant. Come friends, come. Cactus is a plant that has no leaves. Cacti grow in deserts and other dry places. Can you see friends? Beautiful cactus garden. During the rainy season, their long roots take up moisture and store it in their stem. So friends, now we are going to butterfly garden. So let's come with me. Friends, you can see butterfly garden. Friends, can you see small butterflies? Butterfly is an insect. It can fly. It have wings. Friends, I hope you like this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.